Welcome to Professor P's STEM Lab at the Houston Public Library. And I'm Professor P. And my assistant today is Chris. Today's STEM, we're going to be making butterfly feeders. This activity is intended for ages 5 and up with adult supervision. The supplies you'll need will be, you will need a paper cup, you will need string, you'll need tape, scissors, orange juice, pencil, a kitchen sponge, and a plastic tablecloth or a plastic bag. Now, how do butterflies eat? And how are they important to us, Chris? Today's objective, you're going to learn how butterflies eat. You're going to learn how to attract butterflies. And you're going to learn how they're important to us. Now, let's get started to make our STEM. Now, Chris, you're going to take your paper cup and make 2 holes in the opposite sides of the paper cup with the sharp end of your pencil. Then you're going to use the sharp end of the pencil to make a hole about a 1/2 inch in diameter in the middle of the cup. Wiggle the pencil to make the hole wider. Step 2. Cut a length of the string about 12 to 15 inches long. And then you're going to push the ends through the holes in the cup that we created. Tie the ends so that the string makes a handle. Step 3, you're going to cut out a square with the size of about 3 to 4 inches from the flat kitchen sponge. Step 4, use the blunt end of the pencil, this time pushing the square of the sponge inside the hole of the bottom of the cup. Step 5, draw a flower onto the plastic bag and cut it out. Make your flower bigger than the cup's base and cut a hole in the middle that is slightly bigger than the sponge poking through. Cut out any flower design you would like. Step 6, stick small pieces of tape around the base of the cup. And we're using the tape dispenser here, but at home, if you don't have tape dispensers, you can always use scissors and tape. Step 7, you're going to press the flower down onto the base of the cup. Your butterfly feeder is now just needs 1 critical ingredient, and that's orange juice. Step 8, you're going
going to go outside, and we're outside. Pour a little orange juice into the cup. Hang the feeder from the branch and watch the hungry visitors flutter to it. Now, how do butterflies eat? Butterflies do not eat like other insects because they have no mouth. Butterflies have a tube on their forehead that works like a straw. It helps them drink nectar from flowers and juice from fruit. Unlike us, our taste buds are in our mouth, their taste buds are on their feet. Now, the question earlier we asked was, how can we attract butterflies? We attract butterflies by using fruit juice, and we chose to use orange juice today. Question number 3, how do butterflies help us here on Earth? Butterflies, just like the bees, pollinate the plants that grow the fruit that we eat daily. Now, how does this apply to STEM? This applies to STEM in 2 ways. The first way is life science. Life science explains the butterflies' feeding behavior and how they help us here on Earth. The second is engineering and how we constructed a butterfly feeder based on their natural habitat. Thank you for viewing Professor P's STEM Lab at the Houston Public Library.